What if I told you that 3 simple ingredients sitting in your kitchen could completely transform weak, thinny hair? I ignored this recipe for years until I tried it consistently. Now my hair look thicker, fuller, healthier, and it keeps growing faster than before. So if your hair keeps shedding, breaking, refuse to retain length or look thinny, stay to the end of this video because ingredient number 3 is what bring this entire recipe together. Hello my beautiful families, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Glory Kelechi, and on this channel we share powerful natural hair growth remedies designed to help you grow healthier, stronger, thicker, and longer hair natural. So if that is exactly what you want, please subscribe, turn on notification bell, and let's get started. Before we prepare today's recipe, many people think their hair has stopped growing. The truth is, your hair may actually be growing, but excessive shedding, breakage, dry scalp, weak roots, poor scalp circulation, and damaged hair strands prevent you from seeing the length. Today's treatment is designed to support healthier looking scalp, stronger hair strands, less breakage, better moisture retention, fuller looking hair, and longer looking hair over time. Our first ingredient is rice. Rice has been used in traditional hair care for generations. Rice contains amino acids that have support healthier hair strands. It also contains minerals and vitamins that can improve the appearance of dull hair while helping hair feel smoother. Rice water also coats the hair shafts, make hair look shinier and easy to manage. When used consistently, many people notice less breakage and better length retention. So for this recipe, what you need is raw rice, not cooked rice, okay? So I just blend my raw rice into a powder form. You can choose to blend yours, you can choose to use it the way it come, okay? So for me, I want to get all the whole nutrients of this rice. That's why I go ahead and blend it. Then I scoop out 2 tablespoons of my blended raw rice, okay? So now the next ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon is well known for helping stimulating the scalp through its warming effects. Better scalp circulation may help deliver nutrients to hair follicles. Cinnamon also contains antioxidants that help protect the scalp from environmental stress. Healthy follicles create a better environment for healthy hair growth. So for the cinnamon, I use 2 sticks of my cinnamon. Then I break it inside my clean jar containing the blended rice. So now you can go ahead and use your powdered cinnamon if it's what you have, okay? Now here comes the ingredient everyone is talking about: rosemary. Rosemary has become one of the most popular natural ingredients for supporting healthy hair. Some research suggests rosemary oil may help support hair growth in certain type of hair loss. Though many research is still ongoing, many people also enjoy rosemary because it helps the scalp feel refreshed while supporting healthy looking hair. This is why I never skip rosemary in this recipe. So for the rosemary, you can use fresh rosemary leaf or dry rosemary leaf. Anyone you have available, just make use of it. So I use 1 tablespoon of my dry rosemary leaf. So I transfer it into the clean jar that contains the rice, cinnamon, and the rosemary. These are the 3 powerful main ingredients in today's recipe. Now, how to prepare this recipe? You can prepare this recipe in 2 methods. The first method is boiling method. Transfer your 3 powerful ingredients inside clean pot, add water to it, and bring it to a boil. Boil it only about 10 to 15 minutes, then off the heat and allow it to cool down for some hours. Then strain it out and apply it to your scalp. Okay, it's ready to be used. The second method is infuse method. This is the method I am going for. Infuse method. Why I love using infuse method? Because it's more gentle, more effective. There's no cause of losing any nutrients of any ingredient you are preparing it with. So infuse method is mainly for beginner friendly. If you don't know how to do boiling method recipes, I will advise you to do infuse method, because boiling your ingredients, you have chance to lose the nutrients of that ingredient, ending up with low results, low potent and low nutrients. That recipe will not give you that good result it's supposed to give to you. So if you don't know how to control your heat, how to boil your recipe the correct way, please make sure you prepare this recipe by infuse method. So while infusing this, you just need to boil your hot water, transfer it inside your clean jar that contain your ingredients, then pour your hot water on it, shake it very well and keep it to infuse in a cool dark place for only but 8 to 12 hours or overnight. Then after these hours or overnight, then strain it out with a clean sheet cloth and a clean bowl to collect your powerful spray. After then, the next thing is to bring your spray bottle to transfer it inside your spray bottle for easy application. This powerful home recipe is all you need. The game changer is here. This will help you to solve all those your hair problems without to break the bank. If you have been sleeping on any home remedy out there, do not sleep on this, because this particular home remedy is super effective. There's no joke. This will help you to solve a lot of your hair problem, help you to achieve a lot of your hair goals. But the key is consistent and patient, and also right way to apply it, because technique of applying this matters a whole lot, like the ingredients. So using your recipe the right method, you will get better results than using it the wrong way. Now this brings us to the most important part of this recipe, the application method. Please pay close attention so that you get the best results with this recipe, because this recipe is banger, it's a game changer and prayer answered. Yes. Now to apply this, the first step to follow is to work in session. Make sure you always session your hair before you apply this recipe for better results. After sessioning your hair, then apply it directly on your scalp first, and your problem areas like your edges, your crown section, your nipple, any of your problem area on your hair that you want to solve, apply this on that particular place. Then after applying it on your scalp first, then work your way through your hair strands. The next thing is to massage your scalp. Scalp massage is very important, because it helps to improve blood circulation to your scalp, help for thicker and faster hair growth. Okay, do not skip scalp massage. You can massage your scalp like 5 to 7 minutes, okay, even 3 minutes. Make sure you give yourself a very gentle scalp massage. Is very important. After applying it generously on your scalp and on your hair strands, the next step is to leave it on your hair like 1 hour, 2 hours or overnight. Then go ahead and rinse it out. But if you want to use it as a leave-in treatment, you don't need to rinse it out. After applying it on your hair, you follow up with your oil, your butter and your leave-in conditioner. So I would advise you to use this as a leave-in conditioner treatment. Yes, you will get better result than rinsing it out after some hours or overnight. Just allow it to sit on your hair. Okay, use it until any of your wash days. Maybe if you normally wash your hair once in a week or once in 2 weeks, then that's the time you can wash it out and continue with your treatment. So for me, I use it as a leave-in treatment. That is the way I get better results, faster results, and see how powerful, effective this recipe is. So if you want to get all the good benefits with this recipe, Do not wash it out or do not rinse it out. Allow it to sit on your hair and you see how your hair will grow 10 times faster without you breaking the bank. This will help you to grow your hair faster, longer, thicker, and healthier. But always moisturize your hair whenever you want to use it as your leave-in conditioner. Do not use it without following up with your leave-in conditioner, using the oil on your scalp and using your leave-in conditioner on your butter on your hair strands. Then allow your hair to air dry. Repeat this 3 to 4 times per a week. Yes, for faster results. Guys, if you can follow this hack and this trick, you will see crazy results. There is no joke. A lot of people are letting all these simple ingredients down, but some people are out there growing their hair luxurious, healthier, longer, fuller, thicker, and you are thinking they are using one miracle, one expensive product out there. They are using all these simple, blessed, natural ingredients God bless us with and achieving those luxurious, flawless, thicker, healthier, shiner hair. And you are out there looking for expensive miracles hair treatment before you can see your hair grow. Guys, wake up. Stop sleeping, okay? Start using these ingredients and they will give you that luxurious, expensive, healthy hair you can ever imagine. So now let me give you extra tips that will help you to get even better results. Eat enough protein, drink plenty of water, moisturize your hair regularly, avoid excessive heat, trim damaged ends when necessary. Protect your hair while sleeping with a satin bonnet or pillowcase. Healthy habits work together with healthy hair care, okay? Please pay close attention to this important information. Natural remedies do not create overnight miracles. Everyone's hair grows differently, depends on genetics, healthy, nutrient and hair care patterns. This recipe may help improve the condition of your hair and reduce breakage, allowing you to retain more length over time. But always do a patch test before using any new ingredients, okay? So guys, if you find today's video helpful, please do not leave without hitting that like button, okay? Subscribe for more powerful natural hair growth recipe every week and comment below. I am ready for longer hair, okay? I love reading your comments. And also please share this video with someone who is struggling with hair growth. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, so guys, we have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you all on my next video. Stay blessed and keep growing beautiful, healthy, natural hair. Okay, bye.